Right now, there are countless men and women who are braving the front lines in this fight against COVID-19. Tonight, a look at how respiratory therapists right here in Buffalo are saving lives. Here's 7 Eyewitness News reporter Jenny Johnson.
It's not just doctors and nurses battling COVID-19. Respiratory therapists are too. They're the ones operating the ventilators, one of the most crucial tools in keeping a COVID-19 patient alive.
It's rough. It causes some stress.
Mark Liederstorff, director of respiratory care at Buffalo General Medical and Oishei Children's Hospital, says since the start of the crisis, respiratory therapists have been busier than usual.
You know, it's pretty amazing how they've stepped up to respond to this. Obviously, there's some fear and anxiety over this, but almost every one of the respiratory therapists that work with us are doing it because they want to help others.
Since COVID-19 is a respiratory virus, Liederstorff says respiratory therapists are first in line to monitor and assess these patients.
We give oxygen, we give breathing treatments, we do airway clearance, and we take care of the ventilators.
Liederstorff says he's seen patients as young as 20 years old on ventilators.
Nobody's immune to this. It affects all age groups, and patients without previous health issues are also very sick with this, and it's not to be taken lightly by any means.
One of the most difficult parts of being a respiratory therapist, Liederstorff says, is knowing when the virus is going to claim a life.
The respiratory therapist is actually the one in there taking the patient off the ventilator and one of the last people with the nurse to be with that patient.
And while this can take an emotional toll, Liederstorff says his staff is doing okay.
They're holding up remarkably well. They have each other's back. They're stepping up.
And though respiratory therapists are at the front lines of this pandemic, Liederstorff says everyone's efforts make a difference.
We truly are in this together, and we appreciate everybody's help.
In Buffalo, Jenny Johnson, 7 Eyewitness News.